I welcome all of you on behalf of E-Language Studio and Indian Trinity. We have been doing this since long, but this time we decided to do it first time outside the institute. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will be doing such activities in future also. I request Hemant sir, Hemant sir, please come and introduce Madam Surana. Hemant sir is associate professor in German.
Well, it's a proud privilege for me to introduce Professor Surana. Professor Pawan Surana has been and is my teacher for German for past 34 years. Can you imagine? I started German in '82 with her, and I'm still her student. I'm doing my PhD in her guidance. So you can imagine how good teacher she is for German language, an ultimate teacher for German language in Jaipur in Rajasthan. She has been teaching German language in the University of Rajasthan, and she has been our mentor guide over Indo-German Society Jaipur, which has completed its golden 50 years only last year. Professor Surana's contribution for Indo-German relations have been very well appreciated by not only in India but also in Germany. And for her special contributions, German government showered the Bundesverdienstkreuz, the Cross of the Order of Merit, which is equivalent to Indian Padma Shri, on her way back in 1995. So, and she has been always very helpful to all the students learning German. I remember once there was a strike in the University of Rajasthan when I was doing diploma, and because she did not want that classes are not happening, she invited all the students at her home. And that day, it was not just German lesson, but also a cup of tea with snacks. So that kind of teacher we had for German language when I was starting up with German language. I invite Professor Surana to encourage E-Language Studio and Mr. Dev Karan Saini, who has started with such a wonderful activity. Please, Professor Surana.
Hello, guten Tag. First of all, I congratulate E-Language Studio and especially Mr. Dev Karan Saini and his colleagues for organizing such a kind of exhibition and activities. Because I can well feel it, how much work and thoughts are involved in that. It has been organized in a very thoughtful way, and they have worked hard, because language learning is not only that you learn the alphabets and the structure of the language, but you have to know their culture also. And this has indicated in the exhibition very well which cities, which places are important in Germany and France, which universities are important for studies in Germany and France. And France colleague also, I don't know his name, but he has also worked hard for putting the main features which are necessary for the students learning French or German. I'm happy to see it, and first I was thinking what kind of program it will be. I never imagined that you have worked so hard for bringing it up. I wish also E-Studio success. Main purpose is that students who are learning the language, they must be able to put it into practice, to use this language in your own life. Whether you are studying further in Germany, or whether you are teaching in India, or whether you are in the profession of tourism, the knowledge of that language, particular language, should be useful for you. And if it is useful for you, then you will always remember your teachers. And sometimes people ask me, why you are having such kind of strength and always bold and everything. It is because of my students I became bold. It is because of the students you get strength. You are, as a teacher, if you are a language teacher, you not only give, but you receive also from the students their affection, their respect, and especially as a teacher, if you see what is happening, you can be very happy. Because language learning is so important, I can tell you. I remember when I first went to Germany, and I finished my teacher's training course at Munich, Goethe Institute, and I was about to come home. Then I thought I should do some purchasing. I went with some Indian students whom I met in English Garden for shopping. I requested them to help me. And my bag was open from backside. One lady having a bag in her hand, she came and from backside, she just said in English, because she thought I was at that time in sari, and she thought I don't know German. So she said, if you will leave your bag open like that, somebody might steal. Although at that time, hardly stealing problem was there in Germany. Now there is a little bit problem, but at that time, no problem was there, hardly. Then my Indian student whom I met in Munich only, these two students, they said in half English and half German, 9, she is sehr reich. 9, she is sehr reich. And reaction of that sentence was in me, I immediately said in German, 9, ich bin nur eine Lehrerin. I said, no, I am not a rich person. I am only a teacher. 9, ich bin nur eine Lehrerin, keine reiche Frau. Listening this sentence affected that lady so much that she was preaching me to keep my bag closed and safe and everything, take care of my bag. She threw her bag and everything on the floor, did not take care that somebody is taking it away, and she was so happy listening that German sentence, small German sentence, and she hugged me and was not leaving me. Was? Sie können Deutsch? So, if you know German, or if you know that language of that country, maybe French also, then you can make friends, you can be closer to the people. I have many examples which I can give at present, because there are other activities also. I would not take so much long. But one thing I would also congratulate Stadtmusikanten, because I had been with these years, I have been in every important German cities. When they were talking about Sorbonne University, France, then I said I was there for 8 days. We had German conference, IVG conference, and I was there, and Hemantji was also with me. We feel that this Stadtmusikanten reminded me the scene which is there in Bremen. Beautiful state town hall is there. Town hall is in every German city, there is one town hall, which is a beautiful building, and main government offices are there in that. And Stadtmusikanten, these all three students, they are students here, but this, all the figure of Hazel and everybody, it is just, building is this, and just right to that is on the corner, it is there, these Stadtmusikanten, and you can sit in front of their open restaurant are there. You can sit there hours and see the life of Germany. I have done many times because my predecessor, Professor Hans Janssen, he is in Bremen. Before me, German teacher at the university was from German Academic Exchange Service, and Hans Janssen, and he is from that city. So he would be always happy if you by chance go to these Stadtmusikanten, also if anybody from them go and visit Professor Janssen, but don't forget to visit the town hall, and especially in the ground floor, it is cellar, I think, there is a beautiful old type of restaurant where you can take, I did not take anything, but you can take permission to see it. Then you will see how people were working. One more thing I remember from Bremen, there it is called German Indo Society. German Indo Society invited me once for one lecture. There were 300 people for the lecture, pin drop silence. So much interest is there. And the president of German Indo Society said one sentence which I remember. He said, "Ich habe mich in Indien verliebt, wie man in eine Frau sich verliebt." I have fallen in love with India as somebody falls in love with one lady. So such kind of love, affection, some Germans are having. That is why the branch of Indology, German Indologists became very famous. And in fact, our Vedas, from Max Müller Bhavan, Max Müller is an Indologist. He has, before that, it was oral traditions of Vedas. And we could keep Veda intact because of our exact oral tradition. But Max Müller worked hard and put it in writing and published it. This was a great contribution of Max Müller. That is why we call him Max Müller. In India, he is called Max Müller, and Goethe Institute is called Max Müller. I wish you success. Language learning is not only just learning. You come closer to people who know that language, and immediately they start having confidence in you. If you speak them in Germany, in German, in English, and in France, in German, also in English, they will be skeptic. But the time you speak fluent German, you don't feel that you are a stranger. You are their friend, and you can take their help with open hand. So please learn the language thoroughly. I wish you all the best and success to the institution. Wiedersehen. Vielen Dank, dass Sie mich eingeladen haben.
Thank you so much, Professor Dr. Surana. Ma'am, you do not remember, but I would like to tell you that I know you since last 12 years. Okay, that time I was a reporter. Earlier I was not a German teacher at all, right? But once in 2003, I met a German journalist, and because I was also in the profession, so actually he inspired me. You might also know him, Fleiss, maybe, right? His name is Peter May, IIJB Brandenburg. So actually, I had in my mind that I would get trained in journalism, and that was in my mind, and I started learning German. And in those days, you were, I think, we knew you as a activist. You were working for women and welfare. So I didn't know about your German, but I knew it very well that you are a bold and humble lady. Because my journalist friends, we used to talk that means always so many women come to her and take it into her consideration. So I just wanted to tell this, the background. I thank you, Assistant Professor Hemanji Agrawal, that only 7 days back, right, that time even that this place was also not decided. Earlier we thought that we will do it in our institute, but in a program by Indo-German Society, a lecture was there, and I just asked madam, I just invited. I was not sure, but ma'am agreed. So then we decided, now because ma'am is coming, so our place may be smaller for that, because people know ma'am very well and they would like to listen, see her. I would like to thank all my colleagues, students and friends. Mr. Ashok Kataria, he is a German teacher. Dilip Sinsinwar, German teacher. Gajanan Bohra, my colleague. So for 2 years, I also worked as a German trainer at Amity University. So there, as a student, I met this person, Gajanan Bohra. And then we became friends. And now the another partner for the program is Gajanan Bohra. So he is running the Indian Trinity. And the most interesting thing about him is he has a Guinness World Record in Facebook marketing and all, right? And a French teacher Tarun Wadhwa, he is also running a French Institute and French Speakers Club in Vaishali Nagar. I thank you, my team, the excited German learners, Dinesh Kumar, Archana Chaudhary, Ashish, Brijpal, Prague, and all of you. Thank you so much for coming here. And after this session, I invite you all for tea. The upside tea is waiting for us. And after tea, we will come back here. There would be quiz competition and singing competition. Yeah, you can also sing in German, French, English or Hindi also. Yeah, we did not, we put it open so that means more people can participate, because I was not sure that how many of you will sing in German and French. That's why it's open for all of you. Yeah. Thank you again, all of you.